If your device running OriginOS 6, so you can easily get this beautiful transparent lock screen. So in this video I like to share you guys how to use Flipkart theme on your Vivo device. So first of all, go to your phone setting, then click home screen, lock screen and wallpaper, then tap on theme. Here you can find so many themes and wallpaper. Select a template from a Flipkart section like a motion template. Make sure it will be download, then you can customize the theme. Tap customize to modify the clock style and add widgets, and you also use gallery effect to add photo or video. Then tap transaction, choose a transaction effect. You can preview the effect by typing the preview icon. So now your Flipkart theme are ready. By the way, I am already making Vivo X300 Pro camera review. Video link also available in the first comment and I button. Check it out. Okay, that's all about our today video. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more tech review like this. As always, thanks for watching and I will be see you in the next one. Take care. Allah Hafiz.